Hey everyone, welcome back to FixSoft. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install Google Chrome on your Windows laptop or PC, step by step. Whether you're setting up a new device or just want a faster browser, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open the default browser on your computer. That's usually Microsoft Edge if you're using Windows. Type Chrome Download in the search bar. Open first website. Click the blue Download Chrome button. It has Start Downloading. Once the file is downloaded, click on it to start the installation. Now just wait a few moments while Chrome installs. This may take a minute or two depending on your system. I am very sad to see that 90% of my viewers did not subscribe to my channel. Subscribe and help me to reach 1000 subscribers. That's it. Chrome will open automatically once it's done installing. You can now start browsing the web faster and easier. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.